I got another box from the main attraction today, and I cannot wait to open it because I know all her products are good. I know that because my husband made a song about it earlier. But here's my box. As you see, I am into it, but I can't wait. Let me tell her thank you for my free hair growth oil that she put in with my order. So thank you so much. And then I got her new product, and that is, there we go. There we go. So that is the Defying and Rejuvenating Clay Mask. You can use this on your hair and your skin. It is a win-win. You just put it in something separate and mix it with some water and use it. But her other new product, which I'm going to use on my boys' hair, the Twist and Curl Definer Cream to retwist their hair and put in when I do they twist. So I'm going to rewash their hair, and with the shampoo and conditioner I got from her a week or so ago. And then I wanted to try her honey turmeric exfoliating body scrub. I have the body soap, bar, and body wash and face scrub. So her face bar. So why not add to my body care? I mean, go over to her website. It's in my link. Try her products. They're wonderful. They're all made. They also include the ingredients of what she used on them. Give you directions. Like, I'm telling you, the main attraction, y'all. Go get y'all some.